What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the 4 most useful accessories, tools to have on you for motorcycles. Now with motorcycles, they're small, they're compact. I don't like to carry a lot of luggage. I oftentimes use a backpack, so the goal is get the most use out of everything. Nothing can be single use, right? It has to have multiple purposes. It has to be compact, cheap, right? Lightweight. So we've all seen these kind of things that they give you, right? These for your kickstand, these kind of books for keeping your registration and stuff straight. Lots of free things. We're not going to talk about that stuff. We're going to talk about these 4 items right in front of me. So the first one we've got is locks. And now I can't say what these are typically for, right, on YouTube per their rules, but these are flexible locks that are useful for locking up secured items. And so you can oftentimes get these for free. Local police departments and some government agencies will give these out for free, trying to reduce violence. So you can get these for free. You can also get them for under $7 a piece on Amazon, so link below. But these are super useful. So let's say I'm parking in a sketchy area I wasn't planning on, or wasn't able to get in the parking garage I wanted. Have to park on the street. So this is nice and flexible, right? I can lock this through here and create a front brake lock if I forgot mine. I can lock accessories down and gear onto my back rack. If I have soft bags that don't lock. If I have something like this HWK motorcycle jacket that I ride with a lot, right? I can run this through the sleeve of it to secure it. So difficult items that are hard to lock down normally, look at that, through the sleeve, lock it around, and you're good. Just drape it over the bike. So you know, these are the kind of items where it's like you found yourself in a situation maybe you weren't expecting and you need some flexibility. If I just have a standard disc lock on this, where all it's going to do is a big heavy iron piece here, it's not going to help me in all these other situations I get into. So this kind of stuff, for 99% of situations, it's going to be great, unless if your thief has an angle grinder, in which case you're out of luck anyway. Second item is this multi-tool. So they have these on Amazon. I believe Stockton also is a name brand for these. But you've got every size Allen key you could want here, a spoke wrench, fixed wrenches, you've got flat head, Phillips head, you have this square adapter for all these sockets under here, 8, 9, 10 millimeter sockets. You can add sockets to it if you need. I wish the motorcycle manufacturers would replace the terrible kits that they gave you with this kind of a kit, because this is super useful, it's super lightweight, packs a big punch with a lot of useful tools. Link below in the description. You can get on Amazon for about $8 or $9. Now the next one is the OLight mini flashlight. So first name brand thing we have on here, but still cheap. Prime Day right now about $13.99. $20 is regular MSRP. So this is useful for if you ride a lot at night or go moto camping or any of that kind of stuff, which I like to do. And so it is a miniature flashlight. All you do is pull this to release it, automatically turns on. There's a pin inside of here that pushes on this to turn it off once you put it back on. So strong magnet, you can ride with this, clip to your hip if you want. It comes with this carabiner, it comes with this cover, and so in order to charge it, all you do is pull this little cover off and you stick it into your USB charger. It's universal either way. This will run for 1 hour on a charge, and it gives you, I think it was 50 lumens, which is plenty for walking at night, anything like that. So, you know, for instance, we're working on this CRF, we break down at night, and I'm trying to work on something, I can just stick it to something metal, right? Something that's iron. You know, lots of things are aluminum on motorcycles, but you could still stick it somewhere, have a place to work on whatever you're trying to find. So super useful tool. It's really high quality, lasts for an hour running, so that'll charge, or that'll last you a really long time on a charge for probably what you're doing. Really useful for camping. Just a really handy light overall, right? Because we're looking for lightweight lights that we can charge as we go on the bike. Don't require dedicated chargers, all that kind of stuff. So lots of use out of it. Now the last one, this is available on Amazon again, just like all the other ones, link in the description. This is an SAE charger. So some people use these proprietary different formats of this. I use SAE on all of my bikes, and so on the CRF I have it hanging off the side right here, so I can put a trickle charger on, or I can put this charger on really quick, hit this button, it gives me a voltmeter. So that's super useful, because if my bike's dying and I'm trying to diagnose what's wrong with it, voltmeter tool right there. And then I've got two USBs here. The new version replaces one of these with a USB-C version, so that's really useful to have the new standard on and off. If you hook it up like I did, you can use it without the bike running. You can wire it where the bike will run. This tool comes with a extended SAE line, so if you have the little piece coming off your bike, then it'll give you an extension, basically an extension cord. Some of them will even come with the leads that go onto your battery, and this one comes with mounts, so you can mount it different configurations onto your handlebars. Super useful, very nice tool. Absolutely love it. Charge all your stuff, keep your GPSs running as you go. So that's 4 really cheap, under $15 accessories to carry on your motorcycle. I love them. I go everywhere with these. So let me know if you have any items in your or in the comments below that you ride with. But otherwise, thank you guys for checking this video out. Links to everything below.